Temu Christmas haul. I got so much stuff. I've started off with the lipstick does come in a box. 6 matte lipstick. You guys, this is what I'm talking about as a Christmas present. Valentine's, your girl will thank you. I tried them and moisturizing. It's not heavy. It doesn't feel chalky and it smells quite nice. Slime. All the kids are going crazy with their slime at the moment. There's loads in here. They are little tubs, like really little, as you can see. But my child has been going on and on. I want slime, mommy. I want slime. Okay, you got slime. There's quite a few tubs. 12. So 12 tubs in this little box. But yeah, your child will be happy. There's like a purple. It's a bit glittery as well. A yellow. And green. And then a bit of a pinky, like it's a mixture of colors. It's very pretty. Very pretty. Shall I open one? Ooh. Oh yeah. It's very slimy. Does it come out? Yep. You can see proper slime. Oh nice. I feel I'm gonna have glitter all over the place. Every mum's dream, right? My girls, how much do you pay to get your nails done? At Christmas, when you're out, at an anniversary, Valentine's, well, have you tried press-ons? Look at how nice these colors are. No art, you don't need to worry about it at all. And it's a pack of 24. So you can use this twice. It comes with little stick-on bits. You don't even need the glue, memory board. These are the stick-on bits. This is fancy. Oh, you're fancy, huh? Oh, you're fancy, huh? Man, I remember the time when we had to put glue. Do you remember the ones that came with glue? Have they stopped that? Obviously, it shows how long I've had press-ons. When you have a child, nails, I mean, they are growing, but my nails used to grow long all the time. Anyway, this is the bad boys we got. Look! This is how much it cost from Temu. Press-ons you can do yourself twice with the same pattern. Why? Why you want to go get your nails done and pay how much? How much did you pay? Put it in the comments. Temu got you covered. Covered. By the way, the top I'm wearing is from Temu. So for Christmas, I got quite a few things. I was like, what can I get for my brother? Ta-da! This man, this. Hello. It's quite nice, right? It is a little bit thin. It is, I gotta say. But it does look good, right? That's nice. Very nice. And for this price, good quality. Look at that. If you use my code, you can get a discount. Like, guys, now is the time for you to use my discount code, okay? And they have loads of prints. These aren't the only clothes they have. They have quite a few that are, top notch. Can you ever have enough tops? Well, yes, I think so. And I only went and got another one. I love these butterfly tops. I don't know why. I'm drawn to them. Butterfly lady. And red. Red is given. So for Christmas, why not? For this price, yeah. And this is very good quality, I've got to say. This one feels slightly better than the other one. So some of them are proper nice. Some of them are all right. And others are very good. And nothing I have got from them has really faded. So it lasts wash after wash after wash. More men's clothing. Look at that. Okay, this is real life. And this is what it looked like on the picture. Not bad, not bad. It's pretty good, really. And the white is proper white, eh? You can tell. It looks good. XXL polyester. So that's what it is. And it only costs this amount. I know I got quite a bit of men's clothing, buying for a few people for Christmas, because you know, for Christmas presents, who doesn't like clothes? Really? I know you're always like, oh, how do I know if it's gonna fit? Their sizes are all there. They even give you measurements. Like, obviously, if you think you're a size 12 or something, or an 8, it might be slightly different. So look in the section where it gives you descriptions. Here you go, with everything detailed below. So you will know exactly what size to get. There's literal measurements. You can measure yourself and they're like, okay, you're a large, or you're an extra large, or you're a small. Do you know what I mean? For that price, can you go wrong? I have been trying to look for a pair of jeans because I don't know why, but all my jeans are like done pretty much. We need a cupboard overall. And so I was like, I want a pair of jeans. So yeah, man. These are pretty good. Very good quality. They feel like jeans as well. We got the pockets. Yeah, they do have real pockets. Because sometimes Temu, some of their stuff looks like they have pockets, but they don't. They're just for display. But these actually have pockets. Yeah. I got a large, so I'm going to try that on. And I'll let you know if it fits me nicely. They're proper jeans. It's not fake. They're the proper stuff. Honestly, I am so happy. Finally, I found one. But you do have to look. So sometimes it says not denim. Look at the description because it will tell you. But this is denim. The kids, we got a Spider-Man blanket. My kid has been asking for this. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, look at that. Yes, Spidey crazy. And they don't only have boy stuff, they have girl stuff loads. What are you waiting for? And this one comes in 2 different sizes. So I picked a particular size and yeah, it's not bad. For this amount, would you not get it? My kid, but like, it's just a throw over. It's not for the whole bed. Do you know what I mean? It's not one of those. Yes, literally a throw over. And when it's cold, proper winter nights, just chilling on the sofa, eating popcorn, you know. What else is your kid looking for? Got a Transformer Lego. Yeah, I obviously didn't think this through because now I'm going to have to put it together before I give it to the child for Christmas. If you have young kids that are into Lego already, it's a bit frustrating, right? They're always like, please help, it's broken. But if you have older kids, it's all right. This is what you look for this price for Lego. This is what they sent. And another top for the men, Pink Panther. Hello. Yeah, it's on both sides. Wow, this is nice. It's like a vest kind of material, if you know what I mean. You can see. For this price, very good. They all seem to be the same kind of material for the men's. Gotta say the women's feels a little bit better, but it's not bad. It's just not as thick. However, that's nice, eh? You want to use my discount because it works and it will make a hell of a difference. Your girl's been wanting some boots, so I only went and got myself some boots. Of course, there's a variety, but this is what I got, and it was cheap. Look at these. Nice, huh? Yeah, they are good quality suede as well. Very nice, very nice. Underneath, you want to see? Yeah, it's the proper plastic rubber, sorry, rubber, not plastic. Ew, you don't want plastic boots. You'll be slipping all over the place. They're rubber boots. And I got a size 7. So I'm a 6.5, but I find boots need to be a bit bigger for the socks, right? So especially at Christmas, you got those thick socks. No one's gonna know. Who's gonna know you got some thick Christmas socks in those fancy boots? Nobody's gonna know. Yeah, anyway, they're very nice. I do like them. It keeps going. It's like the gifts that just keep giving. On to some curly girl friendly stuff. Look at how cute this is. Oh my goodness. Crocodile clips. We got little ones. If you're proper girly and you love these things, wow, they're strong as well. Oh, that's a good one. So we got little ones. We got medium-sized ones. And we've also got, little and big. How nice. Oh my goodness. For Christmas, a little bit of glitter. Yeah, one for every outfit. And it comes with some hairbands as well. For this price, imagine. I was like, yes, please. I need more of these. This is the first time ever getting these from Temu, but they feel sturdy. Strong as well, not flimsy. You know what I mean. Those flimsy ones, they don't last long, hey? You know, these are thick. Wow, this is nice. Scrub as well. Might as well take it out, see what it looks like. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Doesn't smell too bad. No, it doesn't smell bad. Would you ever think of getting a suit, man's suit, from Temu? Well, let me tell you, they got some good stuff. Good quality. Bam! I only went and got another. I've ordered 2 already. This is the 3rd suit. They are good quality. My. Look. Yes. If you are looking for a suit, guys, for this price, oh man, I almost think, is this real? Is this normal? Okay, cheap? Is this cheap labor? You know, how is it so good for such a price? Temu, they deliver. They deliver. And it's good quality. It lasts. I mean, if you're wearing this every day to work, you don't need some fancy suit. But they do have fancy ones as well. But yeah, this is good. Okay, Temu. My daddy's gonna be happy. Okay, 3rd suit down, and he's loved the other 2, so he picked another. I was like, yeah, I want another suit. So I got him another suit. My mama, she wanted some tights. Oh, they come in packs of 3. Leggings, tights, whatever you want to call them. And they even have pockets on the side. Yeah, they're good quality. Look at this. Okay. Stretch, obviously. She wanted 6. So I got 2 packs, and she's had a pack already. She'll have 9 of these same ones. So they must be good, right? And for this price, can you go wrong? No. Especially if you use them for work or something like that. Proper wear and tear, like that's heavy duty stuff. And it works. It's still going after wash and wash and wash. Yay! Oh, I totally forgot. Seat covers for my car. Yes. Look at that. Okay. Some protection for the inside. I totally forgot. Wow, they smell good as well. They smell like not new car, but like new, I don't know, fabric. Do you know what I mean? Pete Auto. Okay. Yes. If you have kids and they trample all over your seats with mud, you know what I mean, right? Get some seat covers. Protect those seats because yasses, cleaning these chairs grinds on my nerves a little. And of course, I got one of these to slick down those edges. You know, these are the best. Yeah, these Boar Bristle ones, the best. And it cost this amount. Wow. Okay, Temu, you have beaten a lot of prices, right? You want to use the link in my bio. Make sure to use my link. Guys, this is where it's at. The discounts will activate if you use my link and code. If you don't, that's your own problem. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit that bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I will see you next time. Peace out.